Have you ever wondered why sometimes a cracking sound comes from our bones? So look, our bones have joints, and in between these joints, there is a sticky, thick liquid filled, which is called synovial fluid. The job of this liquid is to make the movement of our bones smooth, maintain flexibility, and prevent the bones from colliding with each other. When we stretch our bones, the liquid in between these joints also stretches, and because of this, air bubbles are formed in that liquid. So when these bubbles burst, a cracking sound is heard.